Next, Spidey and his amazing friends. What can make even the grumpiest of ducks happy? A whole hour of legendary Disney classic shows.
Cool.
Here, you'll find something for both old and young, big and small. The weekend is saved with a wonderful mixture of shows, both long and short.
This fan club stuff really helps my image.
When we present Disney Show, every Sunday afternoon at 5, here on the Supercharged Disney Channel.
What's that sound?
You don't have to be a dinosaur to enjoy an entire week of Jurassic fun. Explore the prehistoric world with Mickey and the gang and learn about and play with all kinds of dinosaurs.
Oh, they're so cute.
Dino-tastic playdate.
Enjoy Dino Week. New adventures tonight at 6:05 here on the Supercharged Disney Channel. Next, Big City Greens. This year for his birthday, Donald has prepared so many games, adventures and surprises that he's going to need a whole day to celebrate. Come to Donald's birthday.
And you're invited.
Sunday the 9th of June from 9:25 in the morning here on the Supercharged Disney Channel. Next, our new episode of Monsters at Work.
Tyler Tessman, right? Am I right? Those horns, dead giveaway, because they're so...
Yes, sorry, do I,
That little. Monsters University, freshman year. We had that Origins of Fear class...
Next, Bluey.
What's that sound?